As you can see, this is a old pair of Oster 7.6s, extremely worn out. You can see the scratches that are through there. Plate is scratched. It's not a very good looking clipper. It's over 20 years old. We're gonna refinish the surface, show you how to smooth that out, and put a new plate on there. Those are not expensive, about $7, and get this clipper looking better. I already started to sand it down a little bit right here. First thing you're gonna do is plug the holes up with some paper towels, and we'll remove this piece and remove the bottom piece, and we'll begin to sand each piece down individually. These are the products that you're going to want to use. We got your sandpaper starting from 36 to 60 to we have 180, 220, then we go to 320, 400, excuse me, yeah, 320, 400, 600, and then go with the micro mesh cushion abrasive pads. Now, once you do that, the clipper should look brand new again. All this stuff costs, about 20 bucks, so it's not that expensive. And we'll show you how to do it. Stay tuned. Now, as you can see, most of the scratches have been removed. We've sanded it up to 600, and now we started with our micro mesh pads. This is the first pad, it's brown, and this is the scale that we're going to take it through. So, as each pad, it's going to get finer and finer. The scratch pattern will become greater, and it'll add a better shine to the clipper. This takes the scratches out. This is what I like to do to maintain the look of my clipper, or sometimes I help people out if their clippers are looking old. No, I'll fix them up for them. This is a favor. It's a hobby. So check it out. We'll continue to do this. Put it on fast forward, and you guys will see the end results. I'm going to pick up this black pad. Stick to the chart. Turn it up. See a little bit more of a shine. Just finished the third pad, which is the black pad. Then we're gonna go to the tan pad. Start in on that. Each pad you use, it just breaks the surface down a little bit more. And, the shine just starts to peek through the smoothness. Okay, now we're done with the tan pad. Put that over here with these. As you can see, this is our fifth pad. This is the wine brown. So just to let you see what type of shine you're starting to get. Okay. Here we go with the wine brown. Now you can see the shine is really starting to come through. It's starting to feel very smooth. And like I said, we still have a few more pads to go. We still got to these. So now we're on the teal pad. And so keep in mind, we're going to replace this face. So it's going to be brand new also. Pretty interesting. See how this clip is going to look very, very unique. The last one. Now we'll switch that and should be running like new. This is what the brushings look like. They're old and worn out. You need to install new pieces of these. They come in two. But keep in mind when you install brand new pieces on each of these, yes, Oster 7.6s, so be a lot A lot more smooth, sound better, run quiet. As long as you have them properly lubricated in the inside of the mechanism. Gonna switch the brushings, put some new brushings in and some new covers, new black. And once you've installed these, we'll remove this. And use it, have it. Clip it running just like new as long as this part is oiled. So we'll go ahead and change the plate, and we'll check on this inside. This is how they look. With all the scratches knocked off of them, I replaced this plate. And see how smooth it looks? Yeah. I put these black caps on it. And we redid the brushing, as you guys saw. And this is the refurbished case. You got a nice vintage look.